Hello everyone, I am Vishwas. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am back with new video on latest job openings for this week. In today's video, I have tried to cover all vacancies which were posted in last few days. One important thing I would like to tell you before getting into this video is all job openings that I post regularly on my channel are completely genuine and almost all companies are top MNCs. As there are only few vacancies in specific locations for this week, I'll try to upload another video if there are any openings in other locations. If you are looking for a specific role in a particular location, you can comment below or you can also reach out to me on my Instagram ID which is vishwas_reddy01. I'll surely try to find out if there are any openings on that particular role. If you feel these job updates are not matching your skill set, don't forget to share this video to the people who are in job search. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more videos on latest job openings. So without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Amazon is hiring virtually for risk investigators. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, location Bangalore, salary 2,75,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Job description: Amazon India is seeking dedicated, hardworking, analytical candidates with a proven track record of performance and result-oriented thinking. Eligibility criteria: excellent written and spoken English and ability to compose a grammatically correct, concise and accurate written response. Excellent interpersonal skills with the ability to communicate complex transactional issues correctly and clearly to both internal and external customers. Qualifications required: demonstrated ability to exceed expectations with regards to performance and individual contribution. Minimum qualification is graduation. Excellent written and spoken communication skills is required. Excellent problem solving skills. Flexible to work in shifts and staggered week offs. Work experience 0 to 4 years. Only immediate joiners preferred. This role is on fixed term contract for a period of 12 months. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. HCL is hiring freshers in Pondicherry location. Job highlights: graduation should have secured 70% and above. 0 to 2 years of experience required. Location Chennai and Bangalore. Recruitment drive on 29th and 30 October 2020. The selection process includes an online test, technical and HR interview. Venue details: Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and Technology. Time 9 am to 12:30 pm. Eligibility criteria: BE, BTech, MCA, MSc Computers. Year of passing should be 2017, 18, 19 and 20. Should have secured 65% and above in 12th. Interested candidates can directly contact from the link which I have provided in the description. Agency is hiring for Flipkart seller support role. Job description: 0 to 1 year of experience required, 50 vacancies, location Bangalore, salary 2 lakh to 2,50,000 per annum. Any graduate can apply for this role, should have good communication skills, 6 days working. Interested candidates can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. DXC Technology is hiring for HR shared services role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, location Bangalore. Job description: candidates should have excellent written and verbal communication skills, as role will involve interacting with stakeholders in UKI. Exposure or working knowledge on UK, HR, HRSS process, any or all aspects of high to retire cycle. Experience interacting with UK stakeholders would be an added advantage. Knowledge of Workday would be good to have. Need to have working knowledge on MS Office, applications Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring virtually for ERC team in Bangalore location. Job highlights: 1 to 6 years of experience required, salary 4,50,000 to 5 lakh per annum. Eligibility criteria: minimum qualification is graduate. Excellent communication skills required. Should be flexible to work in night shifts and staggered week offs. Work experience 1 to 5 years max. Should have calling experience for a period of 1 year. Immediate joiners only should apply for this role. This is a contract role for 6 months. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Axis Bank is hiring for sales executive role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, 50 vacancies, location Bangalore. Designation Sales Executive. Number of vacancies 50. Roles and responsibilities: need to handle sales of affluent card products for Bangalore locations. Need to implement strategies towards enhancing market penetration, business volumes and growth through multiple channels via said sales managers. Driving cross-sell products and ensure internal and external customer satisfaction. Desired candidate profile: graduates or undergraduates can apply for this role. Good understanding of customer profiles, markets and products and good networking skills. Willing to travel as per business requirements. Experience in credit card sales or retail lending would be an added advantage. Need to have decent written and oral communication skills. Sales driven, detail oriented, process discipline and good organizational discipline. Allsec Technologies is hiring for HR executive fresher. Time and venue 27th October to 29th October from 10 am to 5 pm. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required, 2 vacancies, location Chennai, salary 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Job roles: should have end-to-end recruitment experience in volume or bulk hiring. Should have domestic voice hiring experience. Malayalam is must. Sourcing candidates through various portals, resume databases, referrals, networking sites, etc. Screening the resumes and scheduling for interviews. Interested candidates can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. HCL is hiring for French translator. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required, 5 vacancies, location Chennai, salary 3 lakh per annum. Job description: must have B2 and above level certification in French. Handling and resolving issues related to e-commerce business. This position is responsible for day-to-day operations. Work timings will be US shift timings. We can consider 12th or diploma without arrears as highest qualifications. 2020 candidates are welcome to apply for this role. Essential requirement: should have excellent written and verbal communication skills. Should be flexible to work in night shifts. Immediate joiners are preferred. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Sutherland is hiring for Hindi voice process role. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required, 20 vacancies, location Chennai, salary 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: resolves product or service problems by clarifying the customer's complaint, determining the cause of the problem. Maintains financial records by processing customer adjustments. Recommend potential products or services to management by collecting customer information and analyzing customer needs. Interested candidates can directly drop your resume to the HR from the link which I have provided in the description. Wipro is hiring for international voice process. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required, location Mumbai, salary 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Job description: should be flexible working in 24/7 rotational shifts and fixed week offs. Any graduate and undergraduate can also apply for this role. Freshers are eligible to apply. Good communication skills is required. Should be immediate joiner. Sutherland Global Services is hiring for Dubai International Voice Process role. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required, vacancies 30, location Mumbai, salary 2 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: should be comfortable with night shifts and you should have good communication skills. Any graduate or undergraduate and freshers can also apply for this role. Interested candidates can directly drop your resumes to the given email ID from the link which I have provided in the description. Dell International Services is hiring for technical technician support role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, location Bangalore. Gurgaon. Dell International Services is hiring for technical technician support role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, location Gurgaon. Roles and responsibilities: as part of technical support team, you will work with highly skilled technical advisors to develop and deliver solutions that enables customers to maximize returns on IT investments, drive efficiencies and reduce costs. Be responsible for providing telephone support for customers on operation or maintenance of Dell products. Essential requirements: first-rate customer focus, phone etiquette and work ethic. Excellent communication skills is required. Graduate fresher to 4 years of relevant work experience required. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. 24/7 is hiring for international chat support role. Time and venue 28th October to 31st October from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location: ground floor NSL Arena Town Centre behind Cricket Stadium, Ramantapur Road, Uppal. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, 75 vacancies, location Hyderabad. Skills required: excellent verbal and written communication skills, good logical reasoning and analytical skills, able to interact with customers via chat or voice, should be able to answer servicing questions, able to work in rotational night shifts. Interested candidates can directly contact HR from the link which I have provided in the description. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. As I said earlier, please share this video as much as possible so that it will reach to the maximum people who are in need of job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.